to surrender ourselves to the Almighty, the receive the blessings, their success, the happiness. Next.
If we keep holding on to God is something to fear, then Om Shivaya. All our works. Bakatunda, Magagaya, Soyapodi, Samababa, Nivedyam, Gurvedeva, Sabakaresho, Sabada. Before studying, Saraswati, Namastubhyam, Varade Vamadupini, Vidyanambam Kaishavi, Siddhi Baudume Sada. Jagadguru on the stage for Tirukural. Tirugammal. Naapakkurinamacham, Zarindrinde, Naapakkurinaminde, Koral Ilatam, Ancham Nadapai, Angandudan, Paadividakudiyathu, Aluval, Sadhangokonim, Aluvattale, Vidithinar, Paadividuvar. Dear lion, what do you live? I live in the dead, joyful and happy. Dear dog, what do you live? I live in a cat, joyful and happy. Dear cow, what do you live? I live in a cage, joyful and happy. Dear dog, what do you live? There are so many animals. Oh, Namashivaya. Yappa, yappa, puliyappa, nammayyarappa. ஆணிகள் பெய்கோடுகள் போட்ட பெரிய பூனைப்பா. அப்பா, புலியப்பா, நம்ம ஊரு என்னப்பா? உலகத்திலே பெரியதான ஆசிரியதானப்பா. நம்ம கிளி எல்லாம் மனதில் நம்மளை ஜெயிக்கலாம். நானும் இந்த இல்லங்க. Akshita on the stage for story. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Amadeshwarye Namaha. I am Akshita, storytelling lotus. School was a village famous for flowers. Variety of flowers were there like jasmine, lily, rose, marigolds, sunflower and tulip. Every year, the people used to decorate their village daily Amma with the flowers grown in the village. Once during the festival time, after the puja, villagers went to their home. Lily and Rose started arguing who was the most beautiful. The deity was made by a very beautiful flower, better than Lily and Rose. It was lotus. Looking at the beauty of lotus, people goddesses like Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Lord Brahma used their chant to say thank you, Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah. Mela
कृताम्